think they know the truth. Say it to the L-I-Y-A-H.
Yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Shauna. If you are new to my channel, I am currently embarking on a new weight loss journey in my life, and I am in the process of doing VSG. So if you're new to the channel and you want to come along with me on my journey while I go through the steps of preparing for my surgery, please subscribe. That's my babies in the background. If you like this video at the end, during the middle, or right now just because you like me, give me a thumbs up. And also comment. I want this channel to have a lot of conversation back and forth about what's going on with me, what's going on with you, with everybody that's in this community. I have learned that there is so many people who've had this type of procedure done. Like, at first I was a little naive. I thought that like it was only a certain criteria of people that can have it done. I thought that it was like quadrillions of dollars. I was so uneducated, and until I actually made this channel and made my VSG Instagram, which is simply_VSG, when I made that, I got almost 200 followers in a couple days. And I mean, the people come on there, they comment, they show love. It's unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. Sorry y'all, I'm cooking, so y'all actually gonna talk with me while I'm preparing dinner. I just wanted to get this video in and get it posted. But today it's actually gonna be about how I feel about the surgery and like the questions that I had about it, which now I feel so relieved, like after joining all these VSG support groups online. If you are new and you are going through the same thing, don't go through it alone. Alone. Go through your social media pages and look up VSG support groups, weight loss, bariatric, weight loss journey support groups, and talk to the people. Hands down, the weight loss and VSG community is the nicest, supportive, most loving community I've ever been a part of. No BS. Like, I cannot believe, sorry guys, I cannot believe the outpour of like support that I have been getting. Like, I'm so shocked about it. I can barely speak on it, but I have been getting messaged by people, like, say for instance, I go on somebody's page who's already had the procedure, and you know, I comment on a picture something really nice, like, you look amazing, great job, I can't wait to have my surgery. You know, if you have any tips for me, any advice, please let me know. Like, y'all, the people are literally writing me back, messaging me. One girl FaceTimed me, and we had a whole full-on conversation about the surgery. And I just feel like you can go to your doctor and you can ask all the questions in the world, but until you talk to like, those doctors have done this surgery hundreds of times, right? But have they ever had it done? Like, think about that. They haven't. So the doctors made me feel comfortable to have the surgery, but the people, the community, have really like basically sealed the deal for me. Like, I know that this is what I need to do, and this is what I am going to do, just based off social media groups. And I want to say thank you to all of you that have wrote back, who've called me, who've actually taken my number and messaged me and answered my questions. Like, you know, this world needs more kindness, and I'm freaking amazed at how nice these people have been. Okay, so this video basically, I know this is the longest introduction ever, but this video is basically about the questions that I had about having this surgery. The biggest concern I had was, do I even qualify? Okay, because I considered this surgery, or bariatric surgery, period, for a while. But I kept telling myself, and not even just me, my doctor even said to me, you don't need to do that. Speaking of that, I'm going to pick a new primary care physician because now that I think about it, like if I'm telling you I have a problem and that I really want a help and this is something I'm really interested in, how dare you, as my consulting physician, tell me this is not an option for me? If you know clinically I fit the criteria, who are you to tell me that? So, one, if your doctor's telling you not to have the surgery and you really want to have the surgery, go above them. Call directly to the place that you want to do your surgery. Hold on, babe. Here. Call directly to them. Ask the questions that you have. See what they say. If they feel that you qualify or can have this procedure, they can do the legwork of talking to your doctor and assisting with getting a referral. Sorry guys, I had to stop the video because the babies are in the background. And quite conveniently, they both dropped their spoons at the same time. They're trying to get my attention because I'm giving it to you and not them. So yeah guys, if your doctor is not on board with you and you feel like, because one, if a doctor says to you, you don't need to have this done, you don't qualify, what do we think first off? We think, okay, that option is out the door. We don't think of it anymore. We're initially upset, but we go on with our life. Wow, we had the option or even the thought of having this type of procedure done, but it was shut down because of somebody else thinks you just being lazy and you just want the easy way out. Don't listen to the doctor. Get a second opinion. Go to somebody else, ask somebody else, figure it out. That's what I did. My doctor said no. I called the bariatric office myself because they're through the same hospital group. And the doctor was like, why would they tell you that? That's crazy. You do qualify because my cholesterol is a few numbers high. I don't know why they told me that. Maybe they just didn't want me to have it. Felt like I should just go follow this strict diet and exercise. Sometimes it's more than that. Sometimes it's mental. It's not just, oh, I'm just a glutton and I eat all day and I'm fat. No, it's mental. A lot of coaches I've been saying how the weight loss is more mental than physical. It is mental. Especially, you don't know what I'm going through. 2 babies, 2 years. In between the 2 babies, my dad died. I have been stressed, blessed, and happy, sad, mad, all at the same time. And if I need a little extra help, who are you to deny me that? So that was my biggest thing. Do I qualify? And even though the hater doctor tried to say I didn't qualify, I qualified. And I found it out on my own. So if that is your problem, the doctor's not trying to help you with it, take the next step and figure it out on your own. My second question was, okay, I can be eligible. Who the hell is going to pay for it? Okay? My clinic that I go through is through my job, Johns Hopkins. They went through everything with me. They tell me most insurances will pay for this if you meet their criteria as well. Because of course now the doctor said you qualify. Then you got to get utilization management and case managers at your insurance to say, okay, you do qualify. But that's what the bariatric team is there for. They want to help you to qualify. Because of course they want to do the surgery, they want to get the money. And for the doctors who love and care about their patients, they want them to be successful. So they're just going to tell you, call your insurance and see if it is a covered benefit. And if it's not a covered benefit, what can you do for them to consider it or cover it? So, of course, my insurance covers it after like deductibles, co-pays, co-insurance. But that's nothing in comparison to what I would have to pay out of pocket if they didn't cover it. This chicken is so full. Can I cook fried chicken? Fried chicken, frozen chicken? I guess I can. I'm making chicken tikka masala, y'all. Oh. Next. How long from start, like from the minute that I meet with the doctor, will it take before I can have the surgery? So with my doctor, you have to do 6 nutrition appointments. You have to be cleared by mental health. You have to have an upper endoscopy with Bravo to basically check the your pH levels. You have to wear like this monitor for 92 hours. And what else? What else do you have to do? Oh, you have to lose 5% of your body weight. If you do not lose 5% of your body weight, you can also fill out your meal log every day until, like, leading up to your expected procedure time. And the doctor says that most times the insurance will approve you if you fill out your nutrition log and you seem to be making strides towards weight loss, because sometimes we just can't lose weight. There's so many factors in why sometimes we can't lose weight. It is stress, infertility reasons, PCOS, people who take birth control. It's so many reasons. So the insurance is saying, you know what, I'll approve you, but you gotta do one or the other. So don't not do both though. Don't not lose your 5% weight and not fill out your log every day, because then you trip and you just don't want your surgery. So I've been trying to do both. I'm trying to lose my 5%, but just because and just in case, I'm filling out my log every day. And plus, filling out the log has really educated me on what I'm consuming. Yeah, like, you think it's okay that you get up in the morning, you running late, and I'm gonna run to Dunkin' Donuts and I'm gonna get me a sandwich and a coffee, and it's cool. Oh my God, but I left my lunch, so now I'm had to buy lunch too while I'm out. By the time you ate your breakfast, you have eaten your entire amount of calories for the entire day and sometimes more. When I realized that, I was like, I'm not eating out no more. Not only does my bank feel better now that I don't eat out anymore, it's only been the last 2 weeks or so, but I feel better. Like, I literally every night I make it my purpose to pack some leftover from dinner, or I have been intermittent fasting too. That's a whole nother video. Or I will make a smoothie, put it in one of my like basin jars, take the work, put in the freezer. An hour before I break my fast, I just take it out so that they can come back down to like consumption texture, because it's kind of frozen by then. Or I boil an egg. I take 1 slice of toast. Like, I've been really just taking a little bit just to hold me over, because I work 6 to 2:30. So by the time I get home, it's like late lunch to dinner time anyway. So I'm not worried about it. I just take a few things that I can snack on. I take 2 pieces of fruit every day. I drink my green tea. And not only am I saving about $15 to $20 a day, but I am lessening my calories by like thousands. Not thousands, but like over 1,000 just in a workday. So it's really just a mind game. They make you do a food log because they want you to educate yourself on what you're intaking. What's ill? What's the matter? So, my next question. Do people die from this surgery? And I know that sounds a little harsh, but people die from anything. And that just freaked me out, because I do have 2 little children and 2 bigger children that need me and that I want to be here to see live. And to see grow up, and I want to live. So I was nervous about that. But then when my doctor went over the risk, everything was like under 1%. And I'm just like, we can do this. Like, it's hundreds of thousands of millions of people getting it done and are successful. Like, I've not seen that one, like, no real life-altering, like, bad scenarios yet. So, we're gonna go through with it. Because that was the only questions I really had. I think I'm gonna be fine doing the liquid diet. I did the liquid diet today. I have not eaten anything yet. It is 5:11. And I have literally not chewed anything today. I drank a smoothie. I drank 2 giant Fiji waters. I had some green tea. I had a Crystal Light lemonade. I didn't like that though. I ain't drinking that no more. And that's it. And believe it or not, I got like heck of energy right now. I haven't even eaten anything. Whereas if I'd ate breakfast and lunch and over thousands of calories, I came home and been tired, ready to crash. I'm not. I actually feel good. So those were my main questions about it, and now that I have the support from all you beautiful BSG support groups and people who've been through it, and all my followers on Instagram and all my new subscribers to my YouTube channel, it's just like I'm just so happy and excited about this journey, and it's all because of you guys. And I thank you. I'm excited, and yeah. Leave me some comments of anything you think I should need to know about it, or any other questions that you may have had, so that I can see if that's a question that I got. Okay guys, if you're new again, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.